This is the current PA situation, and it's not letting up anytime soon. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're not already, hit that subscribe button for me. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. Today, we're changing out those Ranchos, and we're gonna see if we can get a better ride. I'm gonna do a full product review on these new shocks I grabbed, so stick around, check it out, and let me know what you think. Alright guys, after you have your truck jacked up and on a jack stand, you're going to want to get a 7/8 wrench to take off these two bolts. Now, from the factory they have these little zip tie caps. If you just push up on them, like this one, they'll come right off.
Jack it up.
Once you have those two bolts out, go down there, get a 7/8 socket and wrench, rip that one out, and the shock should slide right out. So here is a side-by-side comparison. The new Ballistin one, granted, doesn't have 20,000 miles on it, but I cannot push it down to save my life. This one, on the other hand, and I'll show you right here. She's about bottomed out already, but easily moved. And look, not moving at all. Zero rebound. That is why it's getting changed out for these. Helpful tip. You're going to reuse the bottom shock bolt. The top one, the new nuts that come with the new shocks are 19mm. They will not be the same as the other one. And just like that, it's all set up. I'm going to go ahead and tighten these two and that bottom one, and I'm going to go to the other side. once you get the bottom bolt of your shock out, you're going to have to go up here and get the same one. It's pretty hard to see, but it's going to be a 7/8. The best bet is to put your impact on the upper side here and take it out that way, and it should fall right out. Alright guys, here we go. This is the first shock I took out. Passenger side front, driver side front, driver side rear, passenger side rear. Now, as soon as I took all these shocks out, I compressed them as soon as I did. This one's been out for, oh, I don't know, half hour or so. This one's been out for probably 20 minutes, 10 minutes. Just took this one out. This is the only shock that I feel is working properly. This one took probably, I don't know, 25 minutes or so to fully extend. This one still isn't halfway, and this one isn't even budging. So 2 out of 4 are blown out within 20,000 miles. Alright guys, another pro tip. When you're installing new shocks, leave that little band on. This thing right here, yeah, leave it on until you get this bolt in, and then all you have to do is come down here and press it in, what, 3 inches or so, and you can line your bolt up. Because once I cut this, it'll extend another, oh, I don't know, 6 inches past that. So leave it in as long as you can. Make your job easier. See, I left my band on. Now you just gotta compress it. And she's in. The 5100s, I have about 25 miles or so on them, and I feel they make a world of difference. The little potholes or little bumps in the road I used to feel, I don't really feel anymore. If I hit a bump at the passenger front, it doesn't go through the truck. It's a lot. I think it's a lot more comfortable, a lot smoother of a ride. Now, why did I go with the 5100s? Because I think right now my plan for this truck in the next year or two, I want to put a lift on it with some bigger wheels, maybe a bigger tire. And I don't think right now spending $2,000 on a good set of Fox shocks or a good set of the Kings is really in the cards right now, because I feel I'm going to be changing them out. And I won't be able to use stock to 4.5-inch shocks. They're going to be a different set completely. So I'd rather just save it and put it towards when I do the lift and the tires. And who knows, I could run this setup for a year. This, for right now, these first 25 miles is smooth, guys. Real smooth. So the stock tire, I know I'm going to give that question. I put my stock wheels on for 2 good reasons. One, I found a nail in the one tire during this video. So that was a little bit of a do it right now. And I have a trip in the next coming weeks, and I don't want to risk it. And I don't feel like patching it from the inside is really a good bet. Holding 50 pounds of air, running 70 miles an hour, I think I just get a new one. And I don't think I can get a new one in time. Second reason is I have a trip coming up. I'm going away for work. It's roughly 7.5 hours away, and I actually have a spare Denali rim and tire I can throw right in the back of my truck. If I have a flat, something happens, I have one. I can't really say I could do that with the 22. Yes, I could put a bigger tire on the 20-inch rim and maybe make it work, but I don't think it's the same. And I already have these wheels, so it just takes a couple minutes to throw them on. The next thing is I have a LBZ Duramax engine on a pallet in my shop. I'm thinking about vlogging me tearing it down, because I'm going to send the block out, the heads out, have them all checked because I'm not real sure about the engine. But if that's something you guys want to see, hit a comment. Let me know. Let me know on Instagram. If there's something special you want to see, maybe how to change a head gasket, or how to remove a turbo, or maybe how to remove up pipes, and take a head off, let me know, and I will make sure that I get that in a video. Remove a flex plate, anything. I think I have a picture of it. I'll post it at the end of this. But that's probably going to be my next video. I'm going to try posting every week and a half or so, really when I have time. I apologize, it's been a couple weeks. Work's been crazy. It's been like 75 hours. But I'm going to try getting better with it. Well, YouTube is one of my goals. And to achieve my goals, I got to work harder at it than I normally would. So I'm going to do my best to vlog and post every 10 to 14 days. So if you haven't subscribed, you're going to want to. There's plenty more in the tank, and I promise you, you're not going to want to miss my upcoming videos. But for now, the 5100s were a win. I would recommend them to anybody. If you have the Ranchos and you love them, great. But eventually you're going to want to change them. So get the 5100s, or get the Kings, get the Fox. If you have a lift and you can use a King or shock, I think you should go with them, because I hear really, really good things about them. I'm just not there yet. But that's it for now, guys. Hit that subscribe button, share, and like it. Like. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.